You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals -27/4. Let's solve it step by step. Division by 1. A variable's value does not change when it is divided by 1, so we can eliminate it. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is c equals -27/4.